Hello, and welcome back to LearnUp English. I'm Jake.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy to see you.
Today, we have a great lesson for all our beginner students.
Yes, we are going to talk about what you do every day, your daily routine.
We will learn simple words and simple sentences to describe your morning, your afternoon, and your evening. This is called the present simple tense.
And it's so important. You use it all the time. By the end of this video, you will be able to tell anyone about your whole day.
That's right. It will be fun, easy, and we will repeat everything so you can practice.
So, get ready to learn. But first, if you are new here or if you like our lessons, please click the red subscribe button and the notification bell.
It helps us a lot, and you will never miss a new lesson. Okay, Emma, let's start with the morning.
Let's do it.
The morning. It's the start of your day. What is the first thing you do?
The very first thing? I wake up.
Wake up. Let's say that together. I wake up.
Very good. What time do you wake up, Jake?
I wake up at 6 o'clock. 6 a.m. What about you?
Oh, I wake up a little later. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Okay, so you wake up. Then what? I usually get out of bed.
Get out of bed. Yes. And then? I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth. Let's practice this sentence. I brush my teeth.
Repeat after us. I brush my teeth.
Good. After I brush my teeth, I take a shower.
Take a shower. This means you wash your body.
Say it with us. I take a shower.
Now, a mini dialogue. Paul and Emily are talking about their mornings. Listen carefully.
Emily, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I always take a shower.
Notice the word always. It means 100% of the time.
Okay, let's keep moving. After the shower, what do you wear? You get dressed.
Get dressed. Put on your clothes. Let's say it 3 times. I get dressed. I get dressed. I get dressed.
And the most important part of the morning, Jake. I eat breakfast.
Me too. Eat breakfast. What do you eat, Emma?
I eat eggs and drink coffee.
Nice. I eat toast and drink tea.
We both go to work after breakfast. I go to work at 8:30.
And I go to work at 9 o'clock. Let's review some key morning words.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Get out of bed means to leave the bed.
Brush my teeth means to clean my teeth.
Take a shower means to wash my body.
Get dressed means to put on clothes.
Eat breakfast means to eat the first meal of the day.
Go to work means to go to your job. Okay, now it's the afternoon. You are at work or at school. What do you do?
I work on my computer. I talk to my students.
These are simple verbs or action words. Let's practice some. Work, study, read, eat lunch.
At 12:30, I eat lunch.
Me too. I eat lunch with my friends. That's nice.
Okay, a small pronunciation tip. Listen, lunch. The sound is divided by lunch, not lanch. Say it, lunch.
That's right. After lunch, we finish work at about 5 o'clock.
Now, it's the evening.
What do you do in the evening, Jake?
First, I go home.
Me too. Then I cook dinner.
I don't cook dinner. I buy dinner. But I eat dinner at 6:30.
Let's practice this verb, cook. I cook dinner. You cook dinner. They cook dinner.
After dinner, it's my free time. I watch TV, I read a book.
I usually listen to music or I call my family.
Let's look at another mini dialogue. Paul and Emily are talking about their free time.
Paul, what do you do after work?
I go to the gym. I exercise.
Oh, I don't exercise. I prefer to watch TV.
Ha! Okay. Do you eat dinner late?
No, I eat dinner early, at 6.
Did you notice the word don't? Don't means do not. It helps us say the negative.
Yes, I work. Positive, I don't work. Negative, I cook dinner. Positive, I don't cook dinner. Negative.
Let's try one together. Say it out loud. I don't watch TV.
Excellent. Now, the end of the day.
I usually check my phone one last time.
And then I go to bed.
Me too. I go to bed at 10:30.
And then, the next morning, we wake up and start all over again.
Let's review some afternoon and evening words.
Eat lunch or dinner means to have a meal.
Go home means to go back to your house.
Cook dinner means to prepare the evening meal.
Watch TV means to look at the television.
Read a book means to look at words in a book.
Go to bed means to go to sleep.
Okay, beginner friends, this next part is very important. We have been talking about I wake up, I go to work.
But what about he, a man, or she, a woman? The sentences change a little bit.
When we talk about one other person, he or she, we add an S to the verb, a little sound.
Listen, I eat breakfast. He eats breakfast. I watch TV. She watches TV. I go to work. He goes to work.
It's just a small sound, but it's very important in English. Let's practice some. Repeat after us.
Ready? She wakes up at 7. He eats lunch at 1 o'clock. My friend goes to bed late.
Very good. The tricky one is watch. We add S to the word. So, he watches TV.
Let's listen to a longer example. I will talk about my brother Tom. Tom is a he.
My brother wakes up late. He doesn't like mornings. He takes a shower and then he drinks coffee. He never eats breakfast. He goes to work at 10 a.m. In the evening, he cooks a big dinner. He always watches a movie before he goes to bed.
See? Wakes, takes, drinks, goes, cooks, watches. All with an S.
Now, the negative is also different. Remember I don't?
For he and she, we use doesn't. Doesn't means does not.
The good news is, when you use doesn't, you don't need the C on the verb. The C is already in doesn't.
Listen and repeat. He doesn't cook dinner. Not, he doesn't cooks. She doesn't like coffee. My friend doesn't watch TV.
You are doing great. This is a big step for a beginner.
Just remember, I, you, we, they verb. He, she, it verb, plus S. Let's quickly review what we learned today about your daily routine using the present simple.
We learned the key actions of the day.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
I go to work. I eat lunch. I go home.
I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed.
And we learned the important rule for he and she. We add the C.
Let's do a quick quiz. Tell us the correct answer out loud.
She, A, watch TV, B, watches TV.
The answer is B. She watches TV. Very good.
E, A, cooks dinner. B, cook dinner.
The answer is B. I cook dinner. No's for I.
He, A, doesn't go to bed. B, doesn't goes to bed.
This is a tricky one. The answer is A. He doesn't go to bed. The C is in doesn't.
You are all stars. We are so proud of you for trying these hard questions. That's it for today's lesson on your daily routine. You learned so many new phrases.
Remember, the best way to learn is to practice. Don't just listen. Speak.
So, here is your challenge for today.
Tell us about your morning routine in the comments below. Write 3 simple sentences.
You can start like this. I wake up at 7. I drink tea. I go to work. Or, tell us about a friend. My friend always wakes up late.
We will read your comments and cheer you on.
If you liked this video, please like it, comment with your sentences, and subscribe to LearnUp English for more easy lessons.
You are doing great. Keep practicing. We will see you in the next video.
Bye for now.